looking at the outside of the NASDAQ market site in Times Square on this Wednesday morning, November 6th. Good morning, I'm Marino with your Global Markets Report. Right now, U.S. futures are pointing to a higher open when trading gets underway here later this morning, and we've got a slew of earnings news on the way. Overseas markets are mixed. We're going to go to London now, where the deal's Laura Board is standing by with the markets update. Laura.
Hi, John. Yeah, markets slightly mixed over here. The CAC 40 in Paris is going great guns, and the DAX index in Frankfurt is also up sharply. A little bit anemic in the FTSE in London. Corporate news seems to have been the main driver today, along with some encouraging economic growth figures for the German manufacturing sector. In France, Alstom, the big engineering company, announced a plan to sell up to 2.7 billion of assets and cut costs, which always pleases investors. ING, the Netherlands financial service group, said it's going to be done with its restructuring program 2 years earlier than expected by the end of 2016 after striking a deal with the European Commission. We've had some mixed data over here in Europe. In Germany, September factory orders came in better than expected, but Eurozone retail sales were rather disappointing. And in the UK, industrial output in September beat forecasts. People are already looking to European Central Bank rate-setting meetings tomorrow, when the Bank of England also meets, along with, of course, those all-important US GDP figures out tomorrow. Back to you, John.
That was the deal's Laura Board in London. Thank you, Laura. Back here in the U.S., let's get over to our NASDAQ wall for stocks that are already on the move this morning. Shares of Tesla right now down more than 10% this morning. The electric car maker posted results after the close on Tuesday that topped estimates. They only lost 32 cents a share. That's 12 cents less than what was expected. But analysts were hoping to see more than 6,000 vehicles sold. Also, keep an eye this morning on shares of Homeaway. Right now, the stock is flat. The online vacation rental service is expected to report a profit of 16 cents a share, and that's up from profits of just 5 cents a share the same period a year ago. Homeaway stock, though, is up 35% so far this year. And late yesterday, some of the names emerged for Microsoft to replace outgoing CEO Steve Ballmer. Reuters reporting that among some of the company's shortlist includes ex-Skype boss Tony Bates, as well as some more familiar faces, including Stephen Elop and Ford CEO Alan Mulally. A market laggard for much of Ballmer's tenure, Microsoft stock is up almost 38% so far this year. There's one stock that Jim Cramer does not own in his Action Alerts portfolio. It's Carrizo Oil and Gas. He doesn't own it, but he does like it. The company is readying its secondary share offering, and Cramer says that he thinks it's going to be a winner, similar to Yelp's secondary offering. Carrizo, after all, is using its proceeds to invest in more U.S. drilling projects, and also the stock is up 116% so far this year. That's a wrap for us for today, but be sure to check out our site for continuous updates. For TheStreet, I'm Marino. Have a great day.